Once upon a time. In a small forest decorated with 1,000 shades of green, there lived a rabbit named Ponpon, a bird named Mavi, and a squirrel named Pati. One morning, as the sun smiled through the leaves, Ponpon said, "Instead of playing today, shall we thank the forest?" Mavi asked curiously, "Thank the forest? But how do we thank a forest?" Pati smiled and said, "Maybe by not throwing trash on the ground, or by planting a new seed." The three friends got to work right away. They collected broken branches, carried a tiny drop of water to a thirsty flower, and planted a young sapling in the soil. At that moment, a gentle breeze blew, and the trees softly rustled. It was as if the forest was saying, "Thank you, children." From that day on, Ponpon, Mavi, and Pati never forgot to leave a small gift for the forest after every game, because they understood that nature is our quietest yet most loyal friend.